2003 Dodge Durango, 4-wheel drive. Changing the front shock, super easy. All you need is obviously your new shock. Go with a name brand, Monroe. 1/2-inch drive ratchet with an 18mm. 1/4-inch drive to hold the top of the strut from spinning. And an open end 14. You don't even have to take the wheel off, nor the tire, or jack it up. Just turn the wheel to whatever side you're working on. Remove the 14 up there, hold the top with the 1/4-inch. Down here, remove the 18, and it slides right out. Alright, shock is removed. Simple, less than 5 minutes. To put it back in, you want to put the washer on first, concave side up. Then you want to take this little gasket here, or this little, let's not drop the new shock. See, it's got two sides. One's kind of got a raised bump there, and the other one's flat. Flat side down onto the washer. That little bump is going to sit up inside the top and the bottom there. So to get it in, I'm doing this one hand, so sorry. Kind of want to angle it up, get it into the hole there. And now it's a new shock. You're going to have to push it up over the controller arm. And it should go pretty quick. And it slides and sits right back in that hole right there. Just like that. Now to put this bolt back in, you see it's off. You're going to have to put the bolt in, lift up on the shock. Try and do this, get a good angle because I need both my hands. I'm going to shoot it like this. So you guys can kind of see it's getting pushed up while it's doing it. Sorry again, I'm doing it one-handed, it's very hard. Alright. So we want to go up, find the hole, finger thread it a few threads. Alright. Once it's finger threaded, get the 18 on there. Kind of run it in a couple threads just to make sure it's going in. And you can reach around back and feel, yep, it's coming through. So for the top here, same exact thing. You're going to take the side with the little step or bump, goes down into there. I have to wiggle it around to try and get it to fit properly. Once it's in there, put the other washer and a nut. And then just torque everything down to spec. That's it. You're done. Both shocks done in less than 20 minutes. Easy.